Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto Edge 20 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change keyboard theme on this smartphone. First of all, go into Device Settings, then scroll all the way down right away and access System. After that, Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard and Gboard. Then click on Theme and tap on Show More. This way you will see all available ones. When you're ready, click on one of those images to download the chosen one. Click on the switcher next to key borders to switch them on or off and tap Apply. You can do exactly the same with one of those colors. So now when I go back, I can see the theme of my keyboard has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!